The Ministry of Works and Transport has donated 40 wide culverts to be installed at 3 swamps in Kole district. For a long time, Kole North MP Dr. Samuel Owinyodab and other local leaders have been repairing culverts at the swamps, which repeatedly broke down due to high water levels and large water coverage. Dr. Owinyodab explained that he had requested culverts with a diameter of 2,100 millimetres and above, as opposed to the smaller 900 millimetre culverts, because the larger ones are more durable. The swamps that will benefit from the new culverts include Omonoanyiragedo in Adonyoajiili Parish, Ongora sub-county, which will receive 2,500 millimetre culverts. Adonyoajiili in Ongora Parish, Alito sub-county, and Owinyodab in Ongora Parish, Alito sub-county, which will be fitted with 2,100 millimetre culverts. This followed a promise by State Minister of Works and Transport Musa Eshwero that he would supply big-sized culverts for some districts in Lango, including Kole. Minister Eshwero, while speaking during the engagement of Lango leaders with the president of Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni in Kwanya, said Dr. Owinyodab have been reminding him on the same.
I have been told Amolata is like cut off. Honorable Owinyodab has continued to remind me about some swamps that are bad that cannot be handled by the district. They are supposed to be district roads, but the weight of the water and the swamp crossings, the choke points that are there, cannot be handled by the district. We're in advanced discussion. In the next few days, I will be seeing how they can be supported. Some of them with big culverts that they cannot afford. My ministry will be able to do that. Like they said, I will also deploy the equipment which is in Gulu to support Amolata and all those other districts that are suffering from the same choke point.
Josephine Angam, 65, a resident near Owinyodab Swamp, said the situation limits access to schools, Aton Health Center too, and has also caused the death of a pupil. 100 Gabion boxes are donated with these culverts, bringing the total to 60 million shillings, and the materials were procured from Turkey.
Thank you for watching News Today on Lango News Channel. Have a blessed day.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.